The definition of the circle is: a circle is defined as the locus of a point which moves in a plane such that its distance from a fixed point in that plane is always constant, and that fixed point is called the center, and the constant distance is called the radius of the circle. Let us see an animation, then we'll have the discussion over the definition of the circle. Here we go with the animation. Point P is moving around a fixed point with a fixed distance. See, the path of this point P is what is called a circle. See, this one is called a circle, which is having the change of colors here. And this particular fixed, what you call it as center, this is what is called a center. And this distance is what is called the fixed distance, you call it as radius. So this is the center of the circle, denoted usually by C, and the radius of the circle denoted usually by small r. And that fixed point is center. This is a fixed point around which all these points are moving with the fixed distance, which you call it as the radius. This is what is called a circle. So circle is the locus of all such points which moves from a fixed point with a constant distance. That is what is called a circle. So the standard equation of circle we are defining. The equation of a circle whose center is at h comma k and the radius is equal to small a is given by this equation. Observe this diagram. This is the center of a circle C h comma k, and this is the radius small a. To find out this equation, let us take the help of this diagram in which point P is taken as any point on the circle. You can take point P as any point on the circle, or you can take P as any point in the locus. That locus is which is a geometric relation existing between the points. So let us take, let P x comma y, this is be any point on the locus. So here locus is a circle. When P be any point on the locus and C, which is h comma k, be the center of the circle, that is fixed point, and the radius, that is fixed distance, is small a. Therefore from the diagram we can take that Cp is the distance, which is the fixed distance, is called radius of the circle small a. And for convenience, if you square on both sides, Cp square is equal to a square, implies Cp square, distance between them becomes x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to a square. So this is what is the equation of the circle with the center h comma k